I'm really happy with this, really clean, and wow, this air is cold coming out here. Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel here. Today I'm taking a look at the Raidmax Meshian X921, I think it's called. And this case was incredibly cheap. I needed a new case for a build that I'm working on because the graphics card was too long for the old case that I had. It's actually the PC that we built in the previous video, but it's not the same graphics card. Instead of that GTX 1660 Super, we are actually going to be using a Vega 64, which I'm going to be doing a video about as well if you're interested in that. Going to be putting that into my main rig and seeing how it holds up in 2023. But for today's video, taking a look at the Raidmax case. Now, this case cost me right around $40, which is just nuts. I was watching a Greg Salazar video earlier today where he spoke about a case, I don't remember the manufacturer, but it's some small manufacturer where he paid $60 for a case that is similar to this in looks, but it had an acrylic side panel. It came only with the one back fan, just no lighting, static fan, and that's about it. That's about all the features that case had, and it was smaller than this case as well. And I thought to myself, this was an excellent purchase for $40. So this case features a tempered glass side panel, which is already a step up. It has these 4 screws, which is very common nowadays for cheaper cases manufacturing to do. And apart from that, it has this very airy front intake mesh, which is very nice. I think it's going to be excellent for cooling, and I think you can see through the camera there, you can see the fans. And that's what's so amazing about this case, is for $40 you get this really nice looking case, and it comes with not just the 3 fans you see here, but 2 fans up here and 1 fan back here. So that's a total of 6 fans. Which alone is worth more than $40, even if it is cheap fans. And this is a Raidmax case. You know, Raidmax have been in the game a long time, since 2001 maybe, something like that. So, you know, it's a trustworthy brand at the end of the day. And these fans are RGB fans, but they are static, so you can't change the colors. But I mean, at this price point, who really cares about that? I don't know if I tilt it, if you'll be able to see the fans up there. Yeah, you can see them. And then it has quite a basic I/O there. 1 USB 3, 2 USB 2s, the audio jack, reset, and power. It's standard. It doesn't look bad. And apart from that, it has this nice little basement for the power supply, which I think is going to look nice as well. It fits up to ATX motherboards. And overall, I haven't obviously built in it yet, but I'm extremely happy with this already. I think it's going to work out really well, and for the price, it's just such a good deal. So with that said, I'm pretty excited to be building in it. Of course, the back plates here, the graphics card plates and the expansion slot plates, these are breakout, but that's to be expected at this price point. So with that said, I'm excited to do this. Let's build in it. Stick with me.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time.
Okay, so that's it for building in the Raidmax Meshian chassis, and I'm extremely happy with it. I think it came out looking really nice. I think it's an easy case to build in. No complaints really. It's spacious. This is a full-size graphics card that I have in here that I'll show in a moment, and no real difficulties. The only complaint that I do have is the 6 fans that are included are Molex fans, which is okay at this price point, but connecting 6 Molex connectors together makes it pretty difficult to manage the cables at the back, as you saw when I was building it. But apart from that, no real complaints. I think it's a really nice looking case. I think it's going to perform really well because of this airflow and then coming out the back, going out the top. So I think it's going to be a really cool case as well. So let's turn it on, see if it powers up, see if everything's working, and see how it looks. Let's do it. There we go. Wow, that is very colorful. That is nice. So these fans are static, but I mean and we've got a post as well. At the $40 price point, you can't complain too much about that. So this is the front. Really nice. Wow, that's a lot of airflow. And then I'm going to turn it to the side so you can see the inside there. Look at that. So you have the Vega 64 triple fan card, full size card, and this fits in. Now I don't think you'll be able to fit those 4090s or whatever, those massive ones, but this is a pretty big card, and it's fitting pretty well. So I'm really happy with this, really clean, and wow, this air is cold coming out here. I'm pretty excited to see what the temperatures are like in gameplay. I'm not going to be testing that right now, but yeah, I think it came out really well. You can see there's a lot of light in there. It looks amazing, and I'm really happy with it. So apart from that Molex issue, no real complaints. Wow, this thing is cold. Yeah, we got a removable dust filter there, a big one, and yeah, I'm very happy overall. I think it looks really nice. I think it came out really well, and I can definitely recommend this case. If this case was $60, I would recommend it. So I think it looks, wow, I think that was a jet. The case is really nice, really cheap. Good job, Raidmax. Definitely recommend it. Get yourself one of these. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and stick around for more content like this. Cheers.